Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional Instagram business account in 2025 step by step. If you want to grow a brand, a side hustle, or even a full business, having a business account uh, unlocks powerful tools like insights, ads, and easier selling. First of all, why even bother? Uh, why even bother creating a business account instead of staying personal? Access Instagram Insights, see who your followers are and when they are active. Add a contact button, email call, or directions. Run ads and promotions easily. Connect to a page, Facebook page. Access tools like product tagging for Instagram shops. And the best part, it's completely free. Download the Instagram app or in your browser, search for Instagram. Choose the first link, open it and click sign up. Now enter your email address. Then enter a password. Then enter your full name. Select a username like that. Then click sign up. Then add your birthday date. Now you go to your email inbox and copy the code and verify your account with code. If you are creating a brand new account for your business, use your business email, not your personal one. Now let's switch your personal account into a business account. Now log into your account. Tap your profile icon. Then go to settings in the bottom right. If you are using mobile, tap the three lines in the top right menu. Then go to privacy and settings and privacy section. Scroll down to for professionals or professional account. Then tap switch to a professional account. Instagram will ask what type of professional account you want. Choose business if you are selling products or services. Or for professionals, click account type or tools, then click switch to professional. Then choose business for selling products or services, pick a category, like clothing brand, fitness trainer, restaurant, or beauty. You can also use personal blog or digital creator. You can show or hide your category from your profile. Click next, then continue. Now let's make your profile professional. Add your business email, phone number, and address. Then click save. This will show up as clickable buttons on your profile. If you have a Facebook page, you can connect it now for easier cross-posting and ad management. Instagram will ask if you want to connect. You can do it now or skip and add it later. Make sure add a clear profile photo, your logo, brand or brand. From profile section, click profile picture and upload your photo. Write a compelling bio. Who are you, what you offer, and a call to action. Add your website link or a link tree. Explore your new tools. Congratulations, you now have a business account. Here's what you can do next. Tap professional dashboard. Click more, or from the left sidebar or 3-line dot, you can see the professional dashboard to see insights. Check your followers growth, the top posts and audience demographics. Profile promote posts directly inside the app. Just start tagging your products if you have online store. Here are some tips to make the most of your Instagram business account. Post consistently, use hashtags smartly, reply to DMs quickly. Instagram loves engagements. Experiment with ads once you have a few organic posts. And that's it. Always check your insights, see what's working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and hit the bell so you don't miss more growth tips and social media tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to make a full video on how to grow your Instagram business account in 30 days. Thanks for watching.